It looks dry now, but the dough will get soft and smooth after some kneading. Knead the dough for about 10 minutes. Let it rest for 30 minutes. Cut the dough into 4 similar sized pieces and cover or wrap the others so that they don't dry out. Dust the piece with some flour and flatten it roughly by hand. Pass through the maker starting with the widest setting. I'm folding the sides to fit the width of the roller. Also, this has a kneading effect too. The desired thinness is when you see the shape of your fingers through the sheet. Remember, the noodles will get thicker than you see now after cooking. Dust the sheet enough with some flour before going through the noodle setting so that the noodles don't stick to each other. For each batch, I take a lightly flour sheet pan in and out from the freezer to keep it dry and prevent sticking. I don't salt the water for the Asian noodles unlike Italian pasta. Miso in the sauce gives all the seasoning you need. It takes only around 2 minutes to cook fresh noodles. Sometimes even less depending on the thickness and the amount of the noodles. After moving the noodles to the pan, you need to work quickly to prevent overcooking the noodles. If not, the sauce will also dry out. Around the time you finish cooking, add some spring onions and then fresh chilies. Voila, it's done. Enjoy. Thank you for watching.